Now guys, all men have been there and have done this. Yes guys, I am talking about the head massage. Every time we go to have a haircut, we tell our barber after the haircut to give a head massage. And I'll be honest here guys, we love it. How many of you guys love head massage? Do let me know in the comment section below. But guys, today I have something special for you. Yes guys, I'm talking about the head massager from Houzaide. In this video, I will do the unboxing of this massager. Let's see what is inside, let's see how it works, and let's test it to the limits guys. It is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, when you go to a barber shop, first of all, you have to be in a long queue, and when your turn comes, you try to get as many things done that are possible on that day. You want to have a haircut, you want to have a head massage, you want to have a facial, and the barber is not going to charge you less than 1000 rupees to do all these things guys. And sometimes guys, you don't want to have a haircut, you only want the facial or the head massage. But guys, again, you will have to stay in that long queue. But not any longer guys, because now you can do it from the comfort of your home and by yourself with this Houzaide facial cum head massager. This is exactly what we are going to unbox in this video guys. So come close, let's open this box, let's see what is inside, and let's test it out. So guys, this is the massager box and it is nicely wrapped in plastic. So let's tear open the plastic and let's open the box. Now as I open the box, I can see some paperwork inside. Now, first of all, they have a thank you pamphlet, and it is like an ad guys of all the other massagers that they have. Let's keep that aside for a while. Let's see what else is there. Then there is a manual inside. When you're using it for the first time, you will need this. And they have a warm tip guys. And the first point is apply hair oil to scalp before you do the massage. And if you are doing the massage to any of the body parts rather than your scalp, then you should apply oil on that particular body part before doing the massage. Next, what they have is this thank you card, and if you see on the back side of this thank you card, you will notice that this is the warranty card as well. So you will have to register your warranty before 15 days of purchase guys, just remember that. Then the next thing that is there in the box is the charging cable. Then comes out the massager itself with the charging dock. As you guys can see, this is the charging dock. Let's keep that aside for a while. We'll go in details with all these parts, how to change the notes and all once we are done with the unboxing guys. But first we'll check what is there inside of the box. And there's one more last package which is there inside of the box. If I open it, they are the facial massage brush attachments, as you guys can see. Okay guys, now let's turn on this massager and we'll see how it works. Now this massager has a IPX7 rating guys, which means that it is waterproof. Now what makes this massager waterproof, that we'll find out. Now, as you guys can see all around, this massager don't have any holes. Now what I mean by that is there is no port to insert the charging cable and all. So if there are no holes, then how to charge this thing? Because this massager is rechargeable. And the secret lies in these two magnetic charging nodes. I will show you how it gets charged, but first we'll look at it thoroughly. And as you guys can see, the button is a rubber button, so it's rubber sealed. Even the screen here is fully packed and there is no way water can enter it. Now we'll have a look at the charging dock. So this is the charging dock. Now this thing is not waterproof guys. Let me remind you, don't put this part in the water. These are the magnetic nodes that charges the massager. And if you look at the back side of the charging dock, here you will see what type of charger it needs. It needs a 5V 1A charger, as you guys can see. And this massager comes along with this cable. It's a micro USB cable which you should insert in this port. So just connect the cable and keep the dock on the table like this. And now these magnetic nodes should match the nodes on the charging dock. And when you place the massager on the dock, it will start charging. On the other side of the cable, you can connect it to your laptop or a 5V charger. Don't put it on the fast charging charger guys. If you do that, you can spoil the battery on the massager. If you are scared to charge it on anything, then see that you buy a separate charger from their website. I will give you a link of it also in the description below. The charger doesn't come along with the massager guys. You will have to buy it separately. Now when you are putting the massager on the table guys, always keep it on the dock, because these are silicone nodes. They are like rubber and they can bend, but on the dog they have a special place where they will be not touching the surface and they will not get bent over time. Now let's see how to replace these silicone nodes with the facial brush attachments. Now these silicone nodes are food grade silicone, guys, so you don't have to worry about any itching or any of that stuff. So you just have to pull these silicone nodes out like this, and you will have to push your facial massage brush in the socket like this, and you are done. It is that simple to change this attachment, guys. Once you are done inserting the new attachment, check them thoroughly if they are gone inside properly, because when you are doing the facial, water will touch here, so water should not go inside, guys. So check thoroughly and put the attachment inside properly. So now let's turn on the massager. Now on the massager you will see two buttons. One is the power button and one is the button to turn on the vibration. To turn it on, you will have to press this power button for at least 3 seconds. Once you do the long press, the massager will start, as you guys can see. Then again, if you short press the power button, the speed of the massager will increase, as you guys can see. And now to turn on the vibration, you just have to press the other button and the vibration starts, as you guys can see and hear. And to turn the massager off, you just have to long press the power button for at least 2 to 3 seconds and the massager will stop. Now guys, I want to test this massager in 3 scenarios. First, I want to do a facial massage with it. Then I will test it by doing a simple oil massage. And the third one is I'm going to test it while having shower, while having my head bath, while using the shampoo. I want to test it. I want to check it if it cleans my head, and at the same time if it gives nice massage when I'm shampooing my hair. So the first thing that I will test this on is the facial massage. Now for those guys who don't know what is a facial is like a face massage that they give, and you get many types of facials in the market. You get the papaya facial, you get the gold facial, you get the silver facial. So I will make a separate dedicated video on facial massages, guys. If you guys want me to do a video on it, then see that to comment below and let me know, and I will do a nice step-by-step dedicated facial video for you guys. But today guys, let's focus on this massager and let's test it out. Okay guys, let's first try this massager out on our face with the face massage. Now you can either use a facial or a face wash. So whichever you have you can use. I will be using a face wash here just to show you guys how to use it. I have my face wash with me here. So the first thing that I will do is I will wet my face, guys. So we'll make use of the water and I will wet my face. Okay. So here I have made my face wet. So now I will use my face wash. I will take it in my hands like this, as you guys can see. I will rub my hands and I will apply it on my face even. Okay. So the next thing guys, I will rinse my hands. I can even hold the massager with my wet hands, guys, but I will not do that because I want a nice grip. So I will wipe my hands dry, and here's the massager, guys. Here's the massager. I will turn it on. Okay, first I will try it on the slow speed. It's a really nice massage, guys. So now I will put it on the high speed. Now this facial is very important, guys, for the blood circulation on the face. So you should do facial every once a month actually. And when you do this, it circulates the blood flow in your face muscles. Very nice, guys, very nice. This is my favorite. I will put it on vibration mode now. This is better than the facial that I had in the saloon, guys. So I hope you guys can see how it is massaging my face. So I can go on and on with this, guys. So let me stop it and rinse my face. Okay, let me rinse my face, guys. Now guys, to wash these attachments, I prefer to take them out from the massager and wash them separately like this, because it becomes very easy when they are not there on the massager. After just rinsing, just see guys how clean they have become. You can even apply soap and wash them thoroughly. When you are washing the silicone nodes, you can keep a new toothbrush to scrub them. So there you have it guys, it was an excellent facial massage. Now let's try it out on our head. Let's have the head massage. How many of you guys like head massage? Do let me know in the comment section below. So let's move on and try it out on our head. Okay guys, now I will try this massager on my head. Now it is recommended that we should put some oil on our head or in our hair before we use this massager. But I don't have a habit guys to put any type of oil on my head. So I will not use any oil, but I will use it directly without the oil. So let's see guys. Let's see if it is still effective, and let's see what type of massage it gives for our head. I'm excited guys, believe me. I have not taken head massage for a while now and I was longing for it, and finally I can do it by myself now. So let's try it out. So what I'll do is I'll leave my hair first, because I don't know if it will tangle my hair. I have long hair, you guys know that. So I will leave my hair and I will start with the massage. I will turn it on here. Okay guys, it's on now. So this is the slow speed guys. So I will put it on my head and I will check. Oh, it's really relaxing guys. Even my hair is not getting tangled in it guys. So it's amazing. I don't know how that is possible, but it's very relaxing guys. Like this I will not stop massaging guys. So I will put it on the second mode, which is the high speed mode, and when I put it on high speed mode the lights change. They become slightly bright, as you guys can see. So now the speed has increased. So let's try it. Even better guys, even better. It doesn't even make a loud sound guys. It's not that loud as well. It's very relaxing guys, believe me. Oh, I still have to turn on one more mode. So I will put it on the vibration mode now guys. So when I turn the vibration mode on, let's see. That thing starts to flash and now it is on vibration mode. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. Even my hair is not getting tangled in it guys. That was my biggest worry. I was afraid that my hair would get tangled in the massager, but it's really nice. So if you have short hair, don't worry at all. I remember my days when I used to go for head massage guys. Ah, really nice guys, really nice. I will not stop doing this if I don't stop it now guys. Believe me, it's so damn good. Now this massager has a tendency to turn off automatically after 10 minutes guys. So if the massager turns off after 10 minutes, don't worry. Nothing has happened to the massager. It is the inbuilt function which it has to stop automatically. Some people like the forehead massage right here, so I will try that out as well guys. Let's see what happens. Oh, very nice. I'll turn the speed a little bit low. Okay, this is the best for the forehead massage. Really enjoying it. Okay guys, let's turn it off. To turn it off, you'll have to long press the power button right here. You will have to press and hold it for around 2-3 seconds and it will turn off. So now let's try it guys in the shower, because it is a waterproof massager. So let's try it out in the shower now. Okay guys, here I am coming in my bathroom now. I will take shower, I will apply shampoo on my hair, and let's test this massager out when you are taking a bath. As you guys know, it has IPX7 rating, which means that it is waterproof. But guys, it is recommended not to dip it inside the water for more than 5 minutes. Just remember that. Okay, let me turn on my shower guys. Okay, hot water is here guys. Okay, let me wet my hair first. Okay guys, my hair is wet now. I have turned my shower off now. Now I will put shampoo on my hair guys. So here I have put shampoo on my scalp now, guys. So let me apply it evenly. Now my hands are full of shampoo. If I hold the massager in my hands with this type of hands, it can slip from my hands, guys. So I will rinse my hands. Okay, so as you guys can see, my hands are wet. Now here's the massager, guys. I will turn it on first. I will put it on high speed, and there you have it, guys. I hope my hair will not get tangled. Whoa! This is a very relaxing massage, guys. And at the same time, the massager is now cleaning my scalp as well. Guys, when you massage like this, it helps in blood circulation as well. So at the moment I am enjoying the massage, guys. And at the same time, my scalp is getting clean. So I can go on and on with this, guys. Believe me. So I will end this here, but as a bonus, guys, I will try this massager on my back. I will put some oil on my back and I will try this massager out on my back as well, guys. Now after massaging, just have a look at the massager, guys. These are silicone food grade nodes, guys. So there's absolutely no problem. Don't worry about any itching and all. Okay guys, I will stop it here and I will turn off this massager. So there you go. I will keep it on the side now. I will complete my shower and then I will show you how I tested it on my back. Okay guys, I will try it on my back now. So for that I will put some coconut oil on my back and I will spread it all over. Now to do this you need another person, guys. You can't do massage for your back by yourself. You guys know that already. So here I have somebody helping me. Now to turn on the massager and roll it on your back as and how you want it, guys. And as you guys can see, this massager can be used on your back as well or any other body part which you feel like massaging. You can massage that body part, guys. But when you're massaging your skin, see that you lubricate it with oil, guys, because otherwise the silicone can do friction. Once you are done with the oil massage, what I recommend is wash the silicone extensions immediately. Now to wash them, it is best that you take them out from the massager, then take a new toothbrush, put some hand wash soap on it and scrub it like this. Once you scrub it, it will become nice and clean. Then simply you can rinse them and put them for drying. And the massager, guys, if there is oil on the massager, I recommend to rinse the massager and wipe it with a towel like this. This is how you can do the maintenance of the massager so that it will last for a long time. So the conclusion, guys, I like the massager. It works great. And it also comes with a 1-year warranty that you'll have to register within 15 days of your purchase. So if you want to buy this massager, I will put a link of it in the description below. You can go there and get your own massager. And if you buy it from their website by using the link which I will provide in the description, you will get an additional 50 rupees off, guys. So go there and check it out. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.